Shut up and sit down.
Okay, welcome to part 8. It's been a while, been very busy with work and life and starting up a company, so thought I would start with some old footage I've got here of fitting the chip tray. Just marking off the hole now to put in the first hex screw to hold it in place. Yeah, the CNC has progressed a hell of a lot since this video was shot. It's now almost at a point where I can run it. I'm short of the bellows, which I'm working on, but I'm giving a bit more attention at the moment to my new workshop so that I can get that all ready to go for when I'm done where I am. I've given notice of resignation and just working on my notice period. So yeah, since the last video, the spindle's now assembled, the spindle's in. I got a bit of spindle footage I might throw it in at the end of assembling it. Yeah, that's been run. I've got the controllers all wired up, the electricals are done. I think next video we'll just go over the grbl panel that I've developed and go over the electronics as well. Got some safety stuff in there that I think is quite necessary. So yeah, this was when I was test fitting the chip tray, and it's since been powder coated and installed again. Got the panel PC installed, so it's moving along nicely. Hopefully we can have some more regular updates moving forward now that I got a bit less on my plate, or at least from work side. Anyway, onto the CAD. Okay, so I'm going to shoot over the CAD quickly for making this control panel. You can see it's in the background. I'm running a test on the drag engraver. So what I've got is basically I'll pilot text what I wanted to show, and then I've got this contour path. No, come back. We'll just ignore those for now. So I've got the contour path. So I'm basically just tracing all of the text and the outline of these of the boxes. So if we drop in there, I'm actually going to quickly edit this because I hand edited my other code. Okay, so my machine can do 2 meters a minute, so I'm running it at full speed. The RPM is going to output full RPM. I'm going to change that when I post the code. Then I'm doing a contour to contour out all the holes. Oh, sorry, I'm doing a bore to do all the small holes with a 2mm 4-flute end mill, running 11,000 RPM, 2,000 millimeters a minute. This feed rate quite a low step down, so about 0.25 of a mil per revolution, and it works perfectly on acrylic, so I'm not even going to mess with that. So I do a bore, contour the inner holes, contour the outside, stepping down, and then do a finish pass on the outside to try to get a semi-decent finish. So now when I post this out, just post to my custom grbl, put in CNC code in there, and then when it opens here, I need to take that line of code out, the spindle RPM code. And when I take that out, it means that my spindle's obviously not going to turn on, which is what I'm after at this point. What did I say this? It's annoying. Why is my panels, my brackets being funny? Okay, let's go to the side. Just close brackets. Weird. First process. Post. CNC code. Panel engraved. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay, there we go. Now it's opening properly. I can't output code with no spindle. And also if I take out the tool number, it doesn't pause the machine because I don't have a tool changer. And then these guys will just highlight them and say post process and post code panel. Yeah, my naming schemes are amazing. There we go. Okay, cool. And then we're going to shoot through and you're going to see this thing being machined, hopefully. Check you on the other side.
I said your girlfriend sucks. Look, she introduces you to a couple of county majors.